Established in 1776, the Kingston Public Hospital holds the title of the oldest public hospital in Jamaica, and its historical significance also extends to the wider Caribbean region. While there are claims of older hospitals in the Caribbean, such as the Public Hospital in Port of Spain, Trinidad, and the Barbados General Hospital, their exact founding dates are debated, because I found information that the hospital in Trinidad was founded in 1858, and the one in Barbados was founded in 1844. And if these hospitals were indeed founded in the 1800s, then KPH's founding in 1776 would make it potentially the oldest established hospital in the Caribbean. Beyond the Caribbean, KPH's age also places it among the earliest hospitals in the Western Hemisphere. For context, the Pennsylvania Hospital in Philadelphia was established in 1751, making it the oldest established hospital in the region. Therefore, with KPH being established in 1776, that would make it second oldest. Like the video, and we could continue. History. Established on December 14, 1776, KPH's origins are steeped in significance, with its official ratification following shortly on December 21, 1776, through a landmark act by the Jamaica Assembly. This pivotal moment marked the birth of a healthcare beacon that has stood the test of time. In its early years, KPH was a beacon of hope, located at the bustling intersection of East and North Streets in Kingston. Its humble beginnings saw the transformation of a small hospital, initially designated for slaves, into a male hospital, while an old slave compound was ingeniously repurposed into a female ward. These early days, while challenging, showcased KPH's adaptability and the commitment to serving diverse communities. One of the most striking aspects of KPH's early history was its provision of medical care to only the Jamaica's white population, while the black slave population received treatment in what were then referred to as hothouses and sugar plantations right up until the historic moment of emancipation in 1838. Beyond its medical role, KPH also served as an almshouse and later as a mental asylum until 1850, when the asylum found its new home in Raytown, St. Andrew, evolving into the renowned Bellevue Hospital. The journey of KPH is marked by milestones that shaped modern healthcare practices. In 1859, it made history by offering round-the-clock services 7 days a week, ensuring patients received uninterrupted care. This commitment to excellence continued in 1936, when Dr. Arthur Westmoreland, the visionary senior medical officer, introduced the separation of surgical and medical cases for the first time, revolutionizing patient care protocols. 1962 was also a transformative year for KPH, with the addition of 4 state-of-the-art operating theaters, bolstering its surgical capabilities and enabling it to cater to a growing patient population. The subsequent establishment of the Bustamante Hospital for Children in 1963 underscored KPH's dedication to holistic healthcare, particularly in pediatric medicine. Today, KPH stands tall as the largest multidisciplinary hospital in the government health services, serving as a lifeline for thousands of patients annually. Its comprehensive range of services, from cutting-edge diagnostics to specialized treatments, reflects its unwavering commitment to providing world-class healthcare to the people of Jamaica. But before we conclude though, the Kingston Public Hospital, despite its modern facilities and equipment, struggles to provide adequate care to its patients due to overwhelming demand and insufficient staffing. The hospital serves a large number of people from Kingston, St. Andrew, and sometimes even St. Catherine, leading to long wait times and inadequate medical attention. If you are injured anywhere else in Jamaica and the local hospital cannot serve you, you are often transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital. For example, the recent accident in Portland involving the school children resulted in them being transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital. People from as far as Mandeville, Clarendon, and even Montego Bay sometimes have to go to the Kingston Public Hospital for care. The lack of sufficient staff to handle the high volume of patients results in subpar customer service and medical care. The hospital has come a long way, but there is a pressing need for development and improvement in both its customer service and medical care. I would really love to hear from you though. So if you were to rate the Kingston Public Hospital out of 10, how many stars would you give it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the historical and modern significance of the Kingston Public Hospital, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. What are your thoughts though on the Kingston Public Hospital? Have you ever been there? Let me know in the comment section down below. See you next time.